Hey, before we start, tell us in the comments. Do you have a mischievous kitten like this at home? When this little kitten feels hungry, she meows loudly, as if telling everyone she needs food right now. She searches every corner and area, looking for something to satisfy her hunger. If the food is out of reach, no problem. The kitten isn't afraid to climb anything, from furniture to tables. She'll do whatever it takes to get to her meal. She completely lost it, head first into the food container chasing the smell of snacks. Now she has no idea where to go, just walking backward with her head still stuck. At this point, it's not even about the food anymore, it's about surviving the snack attack. She looks like she's trying to escape the scene of a crime, but forgot how. Send help. The food took over her brain. Finally, after a long search, she finds her meal. She eats with excitement like she hasn't had food in ages, but she can't stop meowing while eating. But this little kitten can't stand anyone coming near her while she's eating. At the slightest movement, she warns them with a loud meow. "Stay away from my food." And when the small kitten tries to get her food, she quickly stops him, as if saying, "This food is mine, stay away." And don't worry about the little kitten she kept pushing away. He got his food later, safe and sound. Justice was served with a full bowl of kibble. No kittens were left hungry in this story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adorable cat moments. And leave us a comment below letting us know about your mischievous little cat.
Thank you for watching.